Hey everyone, I'm Maria. Quick video. What is Maria Scalper V10? What you see on screen and how to install it. Let's go. Maria Scalper V10 is a fully automated trading bot for MT5. You turn it on, it trades for you. Gold, Forex, any pair. 24/7. When it finds a signal, it opens 2 trades. TP1 closes fast for a quick win. Then the stop-loss moves to break even, so TP2 runs risk-free for the bigger move. It also reads the market. Green means trending, good conditions. Red means ranging, risky. You can tell Maria to skip ranging markets automatically. And I stream it live on YouTube. Real money, 24/7. Go see for yourself. Left side, your dashboard. Signal direction with a confidence bar, price, spread, trend status, current session, and your balance. Right side, the controls. Market condition bar, skip ranging toggle for safer trading, early TP to lock in 90% of profit, lot size buttons, daily limits, and session toggles for Sydney, Tokyo, London, New York. On the chart, signal arrows, TP and SL lines, the trend ribbon in cyan and pink, and green and red zones showing risk to reward. Bottom, trade terminal with open trades, history, and quick buttons. Close all, close profitable, move break even. And Maria's voice alerts tell you every signal and every trade outcome out loud. You need MT5, a broker account, the Maria file, and your license key. Step 1. MT5, File, Open Data Folder. Go to MQL5, Experts. Paste the Maria Scalper V10 EX5 file here. Step 2. Right-click Expert Advisors in Navigator, refresh. Step 3. Click Auto Trading, make it green. Then go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisors tab. Check Allow Algorithmic Trading, Allow DLL Imports, and Allow WebRequest for listed URL. Now click Add and type this URL exactly, https://license.xauusdmaria.com. This is how Maria validates your license key. Without it, the bot won't activate. Click OK. Step 4. Open XAUUSD chart, M1 timeframe. Step 5. Drag Maria onto the chart. Inputs tab. Paste your license key. Common tab. Check Allow Algo Trading and Allow DLL Imports. Click OK. You see the EA name in the top right corner of the chart and Maria's dashboard appears? You're good. Click Test Voice to make sure alerts work. $299, one-time payment, lifetime license, free updates forever, voice alerts, push notifications, premium dashboard, and support from me on Telegram. Get Maria at XAUUSDmaria.com. Cards and crypto accepted. Link in description. Like, subscribe, happy trading.